Page 23, Hey Betty Martin. Okay. They're introducing a new symbol for you, a musical symbol that you're going to need to know from now on forever and ever and ever. It's at the end of the piece. It's the thin and thick bar line, which you already know is the end of a piece symbol. Here they've added 2 dots, and that turns it into a repeat sign. Now don't get too confused here. A repeat sign and the end of a piece symbol are completely independent of each other. They don't go together. But a lot of times you get a repeat sign at the end of a piece. So the repeat sign covers up the end of a piece symbol. So here you don't get an end of a piece symbol, you get the repeat sign because the repeat sign is at the end, is what it is. And a repeat sign, the simple part of the rule, okay, I'll adjust this rule later on. The simple part of the rule is you go back to the beginning and play it all again up to that point. And I'll adjust that rule a little later. That's what this means though. So this Martin thing is going to actually 2 lines long. You'd play the line twice. The beat continues, steady beat. You simply repeat and keep going. Now, let's look the notes and stuff over and see what we're getting into. It's treble and bass clef. 1 flat in the key signature. We're still in the key of F major. Make sure you're doing the F major scale. 1 octave up and down. 4/4 time signature. Let's take it one hand at a time. Make sure we know what the hands are doing. Starting here. And that's 1 and 2 in. 1 and 2. Not too bad, I hope. Okay. Left hand, you're starting 3 and 5 here. That puts you in this position. So, and they're just whole notes. Just whole notes. Okay, so put the hands together. Well, you're actually in middle C position, but we're in F major, so we have a B flat. So it's here. And then here. And then here. And then watch out, it's here. There, okay. So you put the hands together, and then get rid of any hesitations you have. And then we'll think about the articulation. They have the slurring in here. Lift up. Lift up. Left hand, just connect it all. They don't say anything in here, so just connect it all the way through. Even going from the 2nd measure to the 3rd measure, where you're here, and I go to 3rd measure, I'm lifting up here, but not here. I'm connecting this. Like so? Okay. And then we think about the dynamics. Moderately loud, MF, mezzo forte. That's the melody. Here's the right hand. Whatever you think sort of loud is. This left hand's in the background. How much in the background the left hand is up to you. You listen to it and adjust. Just keep it in the background. When I get to the end, I'm going to repeat back to the beginning and play it again. But the beat has to be a steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So the beat just continues to go on. And of course I'm going to lift up because it's a new phrase. Speed, moderato, well, again in the middle somewhere. Not fast or slow, just somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle. Don't forget the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Put in the, I exaggerated so you can hear them, but really you just want to feel them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. And we'll play both hands about the same. And we will do the repeat. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. Repeat.